Hep hep hep, balik-balik, aklang machenes, dahil kung nakamonox ka, maaari ka na magpadala ng hindi iniiwan si Lolo through Monox to bank account. How? Watch this. Buksan lang ang inyong Monox apps, mag-log in, itap ang send money, itap ang send money with Monox, ilagay ang amount kung magkano ang inyong ipapadala, tap next, piliin ang deposit to an account abroad. Mag-add ng new recipient, ilagay ang kanyang first name, then ang kanyang last name. Of course, huwag din kalimutan ilagay ang kanyang phone number. Ilagay ang relationship type, mamili ng isa, then tap apply. Then tap next. Then choose your bank. Tap apply. Then type the account number. Then tap next, wait for the verification code, type and then send. Choose for transfer reason, choose one then tap apply. Tap send now and voila! Nakapagpadala ka nang hindi iniiwan si Lolo, kaya i-monox mo na yan with zero transfer fees, high exchange rate, and secure service.